Hey everyone, friends. On the edge of the rover. Today I'll show you how to join a server, the Donut server specifically. In Minecraft, click the play button. Click servers, click add server, and type the name here. Yes, right there. Type Donut SMP and enter the IP from smp.net, keep the default port, then click add and play. Now we wait for it to connect. It asks to download resource packs. Click download and play. And we're logging into the server. There we go. We're in after loading. Now it'll load everything completely. That's all for today. This was Weaveler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.